You want it after me. Look at my spring on it.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, is this mass airflow?
No, I don't believe so. I don't see one. No, because the bung was blocked off on the other one. The pipe's right here on the table.
You were spraying on it before?
It was spraying on it before?
Yeah.
No, that's yeah, it was spraying on it before. If it was spraying on it before?
No, it wasn't spraying on it before. It wasn't.
No, because this is this is the front. So yeah, just put it to where it's not going to hit it now.
This is so thick. This is whoa! What the f, Jimmy? The
Who put that there?
God!
Why would you put that there?
Why would they? That's a leaning post, damn it.
Seriously.
You just said lift up. We're both leaning on it. Like, this fucking 1991 lift don't drop too smooth.
No.
You know.
I bet his IETs drop 25 to 30 degrees.
Yeah, and that'll be just fine. It's not going to throw anything off.
Is he adding more meth?
We're adding a second nozzle pre-intercooler.
Oh.
I want to see what it does.
Probably help a lot. Right at the hot spot.
Might pick him up a pound of boost.
Is it going to go through the compressor?
No.
No, not through.
It's literally right before it goes into the intercooler.
Okay.
Because through the compressor, when that bypass opens up, I don't want meth coming out.
Yeah. That would be bad.
Could be.
Bad.
Pretty 100-degree oil temp. It's just chilling.
This is Arizona weather, where your car is already at operating temperature right when you start it.
It's 118-degree coolant temp, and we just fired it up.
Wow. Gotta love it. How long has it been sitting? All day?
All morning.
That's fine.
This thing drives so nice.
Yeah, this is perfect. It's a big cam too, isn't it?
I think it is.
Did he spec the cam?
He hit a Pat G. He had the cam a while ago, and then he started looking for shops.
Oh, okay. Sounds like there's a car next to us that has a cam. Doesn't even sound like or feel like this car has a cam. I like this car.
That hit hard.
Yeah, it did.
Did it hooked?
It did. It's a nice thing about being hot.
Wow, that felt great.
I actually did feel really good.
He's gonna poop.
For street tires, that was awesome.
It's on an R888.
They're kind of still sort of street tires. I mean, that's the raciest of street tires.
That felt really good.
I like that.
I got up in it really quick because I didn't realize it was gonna hit like that.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite C6s, I think.
Grand Sports are just nicer.
They are, man.
Oh, the S2000's here.
Oh, Oh, wow.
Why couldn't you just cut it before the hurt? Because then you know what color wire was going to.
What?
Well, it came out of some other part of the harness, so they cut it right there, so they knew, oh, hey, that blue wire that's cut goes to that.
Oh. Is that the cam? This car?
This is for the S2000.
Oh.
I start on that page. Hey, big. I'll tell you how that harness works. Did you figure out how it works? Yeah. Okay. There is a loop of electricity though. It's like a return style harness. Yeah, I did. I took it at the beginning.
It's a pretty good one. I had to steal it.
What's the base resistance on that? Yeah. So check out, there's a relay that turns that whole fuse block on, gives that whole fuse block power. Then that fuse block goes to the relay. But there's also a wire.
Why is there a relay powering a fuse block? Instead of a fuse block powering a relay? Because you gotta have the relay turn. I've never read electrical book or taken an electrical class. But I still got questions. There's a very good reason for it, we just don't know yet.
I sure hope so.
You'll learn. It's literally just a C5. That's on a.
I think so.
It's. I mean, it looks like it. That's pretty wild.
I mean, if you're looking as far as throwing a body on something, it's kind of hard to beat a Corvette chassis.
No,
you know?
yeah. I mean, it's.
I mean, it's certainly better than any of the other crap.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this guy pretty much took my idea.
Did he?
Basically.
Yeah. This is what you wanted to do.
About 10 years ago, this is why I wanted a '69 Camaro, and I wanted to drop it on like a C5 chassis of some sorts, because it's just bulletproof. You know?
Yeah.
Take anything you can throw at it; it'll handle really nicely.
Yep.
Everything else.
You don't have to worry about changing weird suspension geometry stuff. And
Yep. So yeah, this guy stole my idea.
What dissuaded you away from it?
Money.
It's also a thing. Do you still want to do it eventually, or you're just like not really?
Not anymore. But it was finding a clean '69.
Also impossible.
Is impossible. And the ones that were junk were like 20 grand.
Yep.
And I'm like, well, that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
I refuse to pay it.
Yeah, oh no, of course. I mean, that on top of everything else, you know. How's it going, man?
Well, you're doing with this.
Enjoying this rat's nest? Wow. Man, you took that all apart already. How's it look?
Well, actually doesn't look back in. Motor's out, grind is out.
R.I.P.
Yeah, actually, it wasn't leaky, so there's no grease or anything build up. It's just dust.
Aren't Hondas fun? Look, it's like everything's like half the size of a Corvette.
You want to see something great?
Huh.
This is the fuel feed line. This is the fuel return line.
What the?
That's a vacuum line.
Wow. That is crazy.
At first we were like, oh, we'll just use the stock fuel system and just tap into it right there, you know?
Yeah.
And then,
so looking like maybe C5 filter in the back.
yeah, we were thinking that because that's what they suggest. We already ordered a, Walbro makes a pump for this.
Oh, cool.
It's about $255, so
Drop it.
It'll be enough. And so that'll go in. And then, yeah, they were like, make the lines off of that. And then they're using a C5 pump. But we think, or a filter and regulator. We might just run that from the pump straight to like an actual regulator.
Right.
And then to the rail. It's nice.
So the biggest obstacle so far is the fuel system and the wiring.
The fuel system, not really, because we're just gonna build one. We build those all the time, so that's the deal. The big thing is the harness. Right. Because the way it works on this is we're making the Honda ECU and the GM ECU both work together at the same time. And this is the Honda harness. So that's just the engine harness. The rest of the harnesses in the car don't even get touched. Right. Just plug right into the ECU. And from the looks of it, the instructions that I have and everything, there's about 6 wires in each of these that we have to keep, and the rest disappear. Wow. So it just wants some like key inputs from the motor. Right. And that's all it takes out.
Interesting. So where does the GM harness tap in then? Into those wires?
Just looking at it, it looks like the only stuff it really taps into is these have a push button start, you know?
Yeah.
We put power into it from that somehow, and then I'm making a starter wire and alternator charge wire.
Gotcha.
But it looks like all it really ties into is the push button stuff.
Right.
But I'm not 100% at the moment.
Right. Interesting.
I mean, realistically, like LSs will run standalone pretty easily.
Yeah.
It doesn't take a whole lot to get them to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Which I'm hoping that's the case. And then, like, I'm assuming this one's a coolant temp sensor, like normal for the computer.
Right.
And then, so the motor's gonna have 2 coolant temp sensors, I'm assuming. The Honda one goes in, so that that computer can read its coolant temp for the gauges.
Right.
And then this one's gonna use it for actual engine performance.
Okay. Interesting.
And then I think that's it, really. But like I said, this whole cluster of things going on might be one of those things where I'm just gonna start cutting.
Get ready for the car show?
I think it's kind of funny. I'm gonna take pictures of it.
Huh?
I'm gonna take pictures of it. Self-watch.
surging from this cam. Not at all. Not at all. Look. Total street car. Wow, look how good. No,
Drives
no
like
feet
stock.
on the pedals.
Am I good?
You're good. Yeah. It feels way tighter, man. That's crazy. Even being a passenger.
It's still got the high guard fluid in it, so this is as tight as this converter could ever hope to be. Would you like some AC, Jimmy? I don't have it actually. I mean, it does work, but there's no point turning it on right now. I think I need to charge it. I do have AC though.
It's there. It works. It counts. You definitely seem at home in this car.
I just have so much seat time for years.
Yeah.
In this car.
I mean, it's been like 10-something years, you know?
Whoa. I've had this car 12 years.
Wow. That's crazy. Mr. Policeman, this is my street car. How are you doing today?
I'm just going to the car wash. It's really dirty.
Now, if we were in Gilbert, I would advise against this. Yeah, we'd be
I know.
in jail.
I need to run it through emissions. I mean, it'll go through. It's just it's just been so busy. I haven't taken it home because like I knew the converter was going in. I knew we were doing all these XYZ. So
Yeah.
like,
That'd be funny. Taking this thing through
I'm taking it through tomorrow.
Oh my god.
When I did it when it was a stick car, I like snapped a photo, and then I think the next week I did the 198.
Oh my god. Just a simple, normal household modifications that everybody can do in their home.
What traits is that? Something your grandma knew?
It's a 100-year-old transmission.
Is there someone? Oh,
that one's free now.
oh, and that first one was empty anyways. Alright, Jimmy, don't let me forget these.
Oh yeah, you don't want to put that.
Ain't gonna save the whole motor though. This thing needs like interior done.
Yeah. It needs things, but it's got a lot of things already. Your typical day at the car wash. Do we need to go to the laundromat to wash the parachute, or? I actually saw your car, like your factory one, you know, like completely stock. Yeah, it was just funny. It was just a completely stock version of this car, and it really makes me remember how far this car has come. You know?
Yeah, it's a little different. I
Yeah.
take one randomly around too, and I'm like, ah.
Stabbing the whole thing in, huh?
Yeah, that's how they say you gotta do it. Well, it should be interesting.
Yeah.
No under there. Because I didn't trust him with this.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
That'll be fun.
Alright, what do you want to do here?
Keep doing it. Got a look up there.
It's fine.
Yeah, you're good over here.
Keep going it.
You want to stay where you're at?
Yep.
Keep going down. What's going on?
Alright, bring her down.
Bring her down.
Slow though. Alright, do me a favor and push on the front of the mold. Like down on it. Bring your hands up a little bit. Alright. Now keep an eye on everything. Looking alright?
Alright, stop. You wanna come up here and take a look?
Oh, it's flush in the back.
Who even knows the headers?
What?
Oh, because you're knocking it up.
It has to go back. That's all that is. Change maybe. These lines need to be on the front side of the plane. Header room, I feel like it's better than like most cars that come with you.
Yeah?
Like it's pretty adequate there.
Yeah. Just wondering if those headers could even be a little bit bigger, you
I
know?
think they could be. Apparently you can put this motor in with the headers on it.
Wow.